This is how you make some delicious seafood broil. This is what you're gonna need: total seasoning, ranch seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, Creole seasoning, minced garlic, and some paprika. First, you wanna go ahead and boil some potatoes halfway and start cutting them. So you're just gonna boil your potatoes for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, get them halfway cooked. Go ahead and throw them in the pan. Throw your corn in there with it. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and start seasoning it. Some Creole seasoning. Some total seasoning. Throw some of that there. Old Bay in that thing. Yep, I had to add some more Creole seasoning in there. Next, we're gonna sprinkle some ranch seasoning. It gives it some great flavor. All right, some paprika for color. Next thing, you just squirt some butter. Here's the fun part. Just go ahead and mix your concoction. Mix it all in, because we're gonna throw the seafood next. All right, now add your shrimp, your crab legs, lobster tail. All right, now go ahead and season it with the same seasonings. Creole seasoning. All right, some Old Bay seasoning, paprika, y'all know the deal. Some total seasoning. Sprinkled some ranch seasoning again on that. And then I got some minced garlic. Go ahead and sprinkle some of that in there. All right. Now you just massage it all in there. Make sure you get all that seasoning inside your crevices, okay? All right, we want this thing flavorful. All right, just mix it up. So this is how it's supposed to look when it's nice and seasoned. All right. I forgot to add my sausage, so I'll go ahead and add some andouille sausage in there. You don't have to add it. I'll pop it in the oven for about 45 minutes, 45 to an hour. Keep your eye out on it. And look at that, almost done. Sprinkle some of that melted butter on top. And look at this. And there you have it, seafood broil. Tasty.